Just diagnosed with GERD and wondering where to begin? Take a breath, you're not alone.
I'm Vincent Manzello, a retired chiropractor who has lived with acid reflux for over 50 years. I've undergone more than 20 procedures and 2 major surgeries from complications of GERD. I created Living Through the Fire to share the resources, guidance, and hope I needed when GERD began.
GERD stands for gastroesophageal reflux disease. It occurs when stomach contents repeatedly flow back into the esophagus. GERD may cause heartburn, regurgitation, coughing, hoarseness, nausea, throat irritation, or swallowing problems. One of the first mistakes people make is eliminating nearly every food they enjoy. GERD triggers are highly individual. Your reaction may also depend on the portion, preparation, and time of day. Start small, eat moderate portions. Slow down and stay upright for at least 3 hours after meals. Track what, when, and how much you eat and any symptoms that follow. Track meals, symptoms, sleep, exercise, and medications. Look for patterns over time. For nighttime reflux, ask your healthcare professional about safely elevating your upper body during sleep. Possible triggers vary. Fatty or spicy foods, tomato, chocolate, caffeine, and alcohol may not affect everyone. Take medications as directed. Never stop a prescribed medicine without speaking with your healthcare professional. Ask what improvement means, what to do if symptoms continue, and whether testing or a specialist is needed.
Don't ignore painful swallowing, persistent vomiting, weight loss, bloody vomit, or black stools.
New or severe chest pain may be an emergency, especially with breathlessness or sweating. Seek emergency care.
GERD care isn't about perfection. Learn your patterns, make changes, and work with your care team.
To help you get started, I've created a free GERD food trigger tracker.
You can find it, along with additional practical guides, at my GERD support resource library. Subscribe to Living Through the Fire, and let's take this journey one informed step at a time.